Today we're making creamy chicken puffs, crispy, creamy, and super satisfying. Let's get started. First, finely chop one Holland onion. And cut 1.5 kilograms chicken into small pieces. In a big bowl, add the chicken, yogurt, chili flakes, crushed coriander seeds, coriander powder, cumin seeds, volcano chili powder, it's an extra spicy one, black pepper, salt, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, and tomato puree. Mix everything really well, making sure the chicken is fully coated. Then let it sit and marinate for about an hour to soak up all the flavors. In a pan, heat up some cooking oil and butter. Add in the sliced Holland onions and cook until they soften and smell sweet. Then add the marinated chicken. Mix well, cook a little, then cover the pan for 5 minutes. Keep checking and stirring occasionally so it doesn't burn. After 5 minutes, the chicken will release some juices. Now, cook it uncovered until the mixture dries up a bit. Once it's looking drier, sprinkle in the wheat flour and mix well. This helps thicken the filling so it's not too watery and keeps the gravy together, preventing spills when we put it in the pastry. Next, add the chicken cube stock powder and 500 milliliters water. Mix everything nicely and cover again. Let it simmer until the gravy thickens up, but make sure to check occasionally to prevent it from burning. Finally, stir in the dairy whipping cream. Mix and cook until the gravy becomes thick and creamy. And that's it. Our chicken puff filling is ready. Scoop it into a bowl and let it cool before using. Now for the assembly. Take a sheet of ready-made puff pastry and cut it in half. One half will be the bottom layer, the other half for the top. Place some filling onto the bottom pastry. You'll notice the filling is nice and dry, and it sticks together without spilling, all thanks to the wheat flour we added earlier. Before covering it, make a few small slanted cuts on the top piece. This gives it a nice pattern when baked. Then, carefully cover the filling with the top pastry. Press down the edges to seal it tight and use a fork to crimp the sides properly. Brush the top with beaten egg for that beautiful golden shine. Preheat your oven for 5 to 10 minutes. Then, bake it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius with heat from top and bottom, fan on, and bake for 20 minutes until the puff rises and turns golden brown. And that's it. Buttery, flaky chicken puffs with a creamy, spicy filling. So good. They'll disappear in minutes. With the ingredients shown, you'll be able to make around 6 to 7 puffs, depending on how much filling you go for in each one.